Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video, we will check out some different video from this our routine, and we will see in today's video how to sponsor your partner for Canadian immigration. In this video, we will also see process, second eligibility criteria, third how to apply, and fourth who can sponsor. So let's begin with the video full process how you can sponsor your partner in Canada for permanent residency. Before that, if you are new in my channel, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Hetal's Cornerstone. So let's begin with our video how to sponsor your partner for Canadian immigration permanent residency. So let's begin with that. The major news has just been announced by IRCC. The full form of IRCC is that Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada. In short, we will call IRCC. IRCC has announced Canada is seeking to process worth 6,000 spousal sponsorship application each month between October and December 2020. So if you are in Canada and you want to sponsor your spouse from any country like India, any country, right? So you can get into this process and can get with your spouse in Canada like a permanent residency. Next one is that in the recent years, Canada has been targeting some 70,000 new immigrants, 70,000 new immigrants to obtain permanent residency each year under which category? Spousal, partner, and children family class sponsorship category. This is due to the Canadian government viewing family reunification as a top priority. Now, Canadian government after Corona COVID-19 more focusing on sponsor visa, right? Next one is that we will check out the process how you can sponsor your spouse in the Canada. So first one is that Canadian citizen and permanent residents can sponsor a spouse. Think if you are Canadian citizen and permanent residency. So first you have to get the permanent residency. If you will live in the Canada for I think 370 days, yeah, 3 years, then you will become a Canadian citizen. You have to apply for that, right? So you must be permanent residency, you must have PR and citizen in Canada. Then and then only you can sponsor a spouse, a common law partner or conjugal partner to obtain permanent residency. So we will check out later on in the end of the video to whom you can call spouse, common law partner and with the meaning of conjugal partner. Okay, so check out the video till to end. Next one, the Canadian citizen or permanent resident, the sponsor and the foreign national, the sponsor person must be approved by IRCC for the sponsor person to obtain residency. Right. Next one is that person must be approved by the IRCC. Third one is that relationship falls under one of these three categories. Which are the three categories? Spouse, one, common law partner and conjugal partner. Next one is eligibility criteria. Who can sponsor your partner if so you must have to look out the eligibility criteria whether you are eligible or not to sponsor your partner in the Canada for the permanent residency. So let's check out that person who is sponsoring that must be at least 18 years old. 18 years old. Next, Canadian citizen. That person must be Canadian citizen, permanent residence, or person registered in Canada as an Indian under the Canadian Indian Act. Those or that first criteria is that that person must be PR, must having PR and citizen in Canada, right? Third condition is that permanent residence is eligible to sponsor their partner if the permanent residence resides in Canada. If you don't have any citizenship, right? And you are in Canada as a permanent residency, you have a PR card. Then you can sponsor your partner, but you have to reside in Canada, right? Third one is that if you are a Canadian citizen living abroad, you are a Canadian citizen and living another country, not in Canada. You must plan to prove that you plan to live in Canada with sponsor person once they become a permanent residency. Right. So that third eligibility criteria is that you must be 18 years old. Second one is that you have a PR card and citizenship. Third one is that permanent residency if you are not a citizen in Canada but you have a PR card, then you have to reside with with your spouse in Canada. And fourth thing is that if you are living abroad and having a Canadian citizenship, say thing example, you are living in India but you have a permanent residency and Canadian citizen and you are sponsoring your spouse in Canada, then you have to prove that you will live in Canada with your spouse. Right. Next one, you can financially provide for the basic needs of the sponsor person. So you have to show your statements on finance. You have to provide your financially you are strong, that you will provide all the basic needs to your that your spouse, your person, partner, right? Next, apply. First, there are two applications to sponsor your partner, right? First application is that permanent residence application. Okay, and second one is that the sponsorship application. So this is a two application. You can sponsor your partner in the Canada for permanent residency. Next, step 1. So we will go through step by step the process. Get the application package from IRCC. So you have to go in the IRCC website and you have to see the what is the package. What is the basic needs. If you need to know what's in the application package from IRCC for this category, right? So please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you what you need in step 1 process. Second step is that pay your application fees. Most time these fees include processing fees, the right of permanent residency fees, biometric fees, all of which you need to pay online on IRCC's website. If you need to know what the application fees and how you can go in the payment side, so please comment me in the comment box. I will provide you detailed and full video on the application fees, right? Third process is that submit your application via mail to IRCC. So this is a step-by-step process. Believe me, you do not have to contact any agent, right? Just go in the IRCC website, check out all the requirement, what the documents is needed, and just get all the document with you as per guideline. Okay, and pay the fees, right? And submit your application via mail to IRCC, and they will provide you your application number. Okay, if you wanted to know how to apply and detailed videos, so please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you detailed explanations for that. Next one, application is successful. Okay, you have submitted all the documents and you have gone through step 1, step 2 and step 3, and finally your application is successful. Then what to do? Each couple is required to continue to fulfill certain obligations. Couple means you and your spouse, right? Each couple is required to continue to fulfill certain obligations. Second thing is that the sponsor means the person who is sponsoring you to another person is financially responsible, financially strong for the sponsor person for 3 years, right? So you have to show in your statement you are financially strong, right? You are financially supportable to sponsor for person for 3 years. Next thing, sponsor person are forbidden from sponsoring someone else for 5 years after they have been sponsored for permanent residency. If you have sponsored one person in this category, then you are forbidden to sponsoring someone else for 5 years, right? After 5 years, you can sponsor some another person, but before that, you are forbidden. You can't sponsor someone else. So thinks before that. If you're applying, if you're calling someone to Canada, like sponsorship. Next, sponsor, right? So you have this question in your mind: who can sponsor? First one, spouse, right? If my spouse in Canada, then he can call me, right? But spouse must be legally married. Okay, so they have to provide marriage certificate. First thing is that spouse can sponsor their wife, or husband can sponsor their wife can sponsor husband, right? Spouse must be legally married. Next one, common law partner. If you are not legally married, or and not legally married and has been living together for at least 12 consecutive months, you are not legally married and living with each other up to minimum 12 months, means 1 year, then you can sponsor your partner in the Canada for permanent residency in this category, right? Third one is that conjugal partner, CONJUGAL, conjugal partner. So criteria is that not legally married, right? Second thing is that at least 18 years old. Third, has been in relationship with you for at least 1 year, lives outside Canada, and cannot live with you in that country of permanent residency, or marry due to significant legal and immigration reasons. And fourth, you must prove you could not live together or get married in your conjugal partner's country. Right? This third one is little bit complicated. So you have to prove that, right? You are not legally married. Second thing is you have to provide a certificate. Means birth certificate. You are 18 years old, and that person to whom you are sponsoring, with whom you have a relationship with at least 1 year, right? And not legally married, and you have to prove that you could not live together or get married in your conjugal partner's country. So these are the third person, though they can sponsor another person. First one is spouse, common law partner, and conjugal partner. So this is a whole all video detailed explanation about this category. This is recently announced by IRCC. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this category, so please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you answer. Right. Right. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you are new in my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share to others. Hethel's Corner Store. Be happy, be prepared. Bye bye now.